Wow! Guys, look at this deal! Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today it's a new strategy, new indicator. It's gonna be really interesting to watch, and we'll try to make our deposit at least 5-10 times bigger today, and I really hope that it's the new strategies that I can manage to show you this on. So sit comfortably, be sure to watch this video to the end, so you can try all the knowledge you've got in practice and start making money together with me on binary options. So we're trading in pocket option platform today. The link is in the pinned comment, of course. In today's video, we'll be using 3 indicators. So moving average, you can add it like that. You go to the left upper panel indicators, find moving there, and click it 3 times. Okay, let's remove everything and manage this indicator again together. We find moving, click it 3 times, and let's start managing it. So opposite the first indicator, we click pencil icon. Here we set 22 is a period and click save. We take our second indicator, click pencil 2, set 50 in inputs, make it a little thicker, and choose any other color, for example white. We click save as well. And opposite the third indicator, we set 100 open styles, make it thicker, and choose the color and click save as well. Colors are optional, and what matters is keeping in mind your inputs. It's 22, 50 and 100. So we see 3 lines of different color and thickness, and they're intersecting all the time. And what does it mean? Let's figure it out. First of all, it's a moving average responsible for the trend direction. So the bigger the period is, depending on what's the period, 22, 50 or 100, the more long-term or vice versa short-term the trend is. So the green line here with 22 the period shows us a short-term trend. It's very mobile and can be changed quickly. The middle white line shows us the medium-term trend, and red line, long-term one. As we're using 1 minute time frame, it all works with 1 minute as a period. Okay, this is the whole thing. Working with 1 minute deals only, so we'll be opening deals for 1 minute straight. Intersection of those lines are signals, or at least we should point attention to them, and we also take the lines themselves and their interactions with the chart into consideration. Let's move to trading, guys, and I'll be explaining you each deal. So I'll tell you how to use signals properly and how we can make money on this indicator. Now guys, let me explain you why we opened the first deal. As I've already mentioned, those lines may intersect sometimes, and they do it for a reason. Okay, when we see the quick line, green one, intersect with the white one or red even more so, then we usually cross the white line at first, then cross the red one, and it means a signal. Now the quick moving intersects with the medium one, and this is a signal with lower as it intersects from top to bottom. If your lines were located in different order, so the red line was higher, white in the middle, and green at the bottom, and the green one intersecting the white one, then it would be a signal with higher bull signal. So guys, the first deal is closed. Okay, we earn a 92% more bet amount. This is what matters. And now we keep observing the things. Guys, it's important to understand that intersection is a signal that may work out not at first, but it's obviously a signal targeted to the long-term market behavior. So just now we had a signal for lower, and it means that in long-term perspectives the market should be corrected a little. Even more so, the green line can intersect the red one. It would be a signal for long-term downtrend. So let's see the case which we had recently. There's a red line at the top or white line in the middle and the green line at the bottom. The green line intersects the white one at first, then the red one, and it tells about long-term increase of the market. So we see that after this intersection there is such a great long uptrend formed on which we could have earned a lot. So intersection tells us the motion of the market, and entry point is something we choose accurately on our own, so we enter at the very right moment. So guys, the third deal comes to its closure. Let me explain it to you. So besides that we can use intersections for those two lines, as I've already mentioned in the beginning, we can also use intersection of the chart itself with those three lines. The main line is the red line for sure, with 100 as a period, and the line with 50 as a period is not less important. These are lines that the chart may get reaction from because of the crowd effect. Most people use moving with 100 as period in different indicators, and they can make their deals based on how this indicator works. So as we see now, the chart rolled back from the red line as from a support zone, rolled back from white line as from a resistance zone. So we could have two profitable deals here, but we used one chance and it's good already. Of course, the reactions from the red line work themselves out best, so I recommend you using it while making deals. Sometimes there are too many high quality signals with the help of which you can earn too. So guys, the deal with higher is already closed, and here we see a strong uptrend. Someone can say the chart is already overbought and trading with higher is not reasonable. Well, I can agree guys, but here the signal comes, the green line is crossing the middle one from top to bottom, and for me it's a particular signal. Signals to buy as intersection is happening from bottom to top. We see a very strong uptrend. Trading against it is not reasonable, and opening a deal on a trend, even more so on a signal, is a good chance. So the deal is closed in a profit. So guys, it was kind of risky, but anyway, another deal is closed, and the case is pretty simple here. There's a green quick line, it crosses the white line, and just now it crossed the red one. Here, thinking logically, we had to open a deal with lower, but I waited for some kind of retest. As we see, the chart is getting back to the red line as a resistance line, and from this resistance line we open an awesome deal with lower. It's good for two parameters. You know, the red line is a resistance and the global downtrend is started because the green line crossed the red one. Here's the deal, we go on. So guys, another deal is closed in a profit, which is great. The same case. Green line crosses the white one at first, then the red one. Now we see it's getting back to the red line. The deal with lower had enough time to be closed in a profit. As the signal came somewhere here, we opened the deal with lower on this red candle, and I saw some small correction, and as for my thinking, it had to be enough for the trend to keep being downward. And we see we managed to earn on that. Great. Well guys, the last deal is closed, and it's risky too, I'd say, but it was open following all the rules. Firstly, we see the intersection of green and white lines, and it means a medium-term downtrend started, and we also reached the red line from which the deal was opened with lower. because in this case it was a resistance, but we rolled back from the green thin line. In total, a reaction happened and it's still proceeding, you see, and this small rollback was enough for the deal to be closed in a profit. So let me remind you, we started with $99 on balance and we managed to make it 11 times bigger. Wow, it's just awesome. And of course, trading was, risky today, and I recommend you using risk management while trading so you can achieve ambitious goals. I hope this video was both useful and interesting for you to watch. Be sure to put your likes if you watch this video till the end, I'll be really glad. And don't forget that on my Telegram channel I post useful information for trading on binary options, and I also post announcements for my new videos there. So please subscribe, following the link in the pinned comment so you don't miss any updates and important news. That's it for today, guys. I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before I go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading on binary options, I recommend you to watch the video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. That's it. Bye bye.